Hello, and welcome to Portland Public Schools Symptom Screening Training regarding limited in-person instruction and athletics. This process is going to outline the daily screening primarily for students before entering a school building or participating in a school program. In addition to screening for COVID-19 symptoms, students and staff should be excluded from school for signs of other infectious diseases per our existing school policy and protocols. First, know the primary symptoms of COVID-19. Primary symptoms of COVID-19 include a fever or chills of 100.4 or greater, cough, shortness of breath, or difficulty breathing. Other symptoms also include muscle aches or body aches, vomiting, diarrhea, or sudden new loss of taste or smell. Staff are going to be asked to visually screen students utilizing a rapid visual screening assessment. Each school must identify points of entry to buildings to minimize logistical challenges and physical distancing issues prior to entering the school. Ensure that staff are all aware of the symptoms associated with COVID-19. Staff should be wearing appropriate personal protective equipment as required in the PPS COVID-19 Personal Protective Equipment Standard Operating Procedures. Individuals should be visually screened each day to determine if any illness may be present. They should be looking for unusual coloration, whether they're flushed or pale, unusual behavior, are they lethargic or experiencing fatigue, new or significant coughing, shortness of breath, or chills. You need to ensure you visually screen students as they enter the building in the area, and if students are positive for any of these symptoms, they need to be isolated away from the other students and staff. Make sure you maintain privacy and be aware of any personal bias. Remember, if you're seeing trouble breathing, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion or inability to awaken, and their lips or face appear bluish or dusky, those are signs that they need immediate medical attention. Again, students meeting exclusion criteria listed in the symptom screening or in the ODE/OHA exclusion guidelines should stay isolated until their parents can pick them up from school. Also, screening personnel must briefly observe each student or individual for COVID-19 symptoms and ask questions if needed. For athletic or outdoor events, anyone displaying or reporting symptoms of concern must be isolated and sent home as soon as possible. Individuals should be visually screened each day to determine if illness may be present. Individuals should remain 6 feet apart as they enter the building or school bus or athletic field, and staff must ensure that they are not shamed or subject to bias based on race, ethnicity, clothing, or perceived socioeconomic status. Thank you.